So hello guys, welcome again to my channel DOTW Clash of Clans. Day means dawns, and you know better than me what is the meaning of dawns. Basically this is a brigade attack. You know it. So it's starting off with a lava front of battlefield. Right? Inside 4 super wizards and put a red, the invisibility spell, and you can see he is pretty much taking all around all the surroundings. You can see he put them right after another, right? And we can see pretty much also we deploy a baby. Now starting with king, queen and a headhunter. Use king's ability. Deploy RC for second scatter, taking for second scatter and the second air defense. You can see it. We can see pretty much took the town hall, all the surrounding with the building, right? So now starting with loons behind of lava. Then we can see right side is already cleared. The loons will just go around the base counterclockwise. Haste for speed, loon attacks, and freeze the air sweeper. And second one we can see it eagle artillery, another freeze for last inferno, and a last haste also used the minion for cleanup. Nice finishing up. You can see it was a super feature, right? So thank you very much guys. I will see you in my next video with another strategy. See ya.